Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here and today we're going to be unboxing some photos. Yeah, let's get into it. Right then, see what we got today. I think there's only one in here. Yeah, there's only one in here. So it is of a Johnson's Quality Coach and Bus Travel, also known as Johnson's XL Bus. And yes, this is a photo of YG17 SVD. And obviously in one of my other unboxings you saw this one right here, the minibus, the AOK one. And yeah, that is a pretty neat photo. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back, and yeah, obviously here's my little Boris bus that I showed you the other day. So yeah, let's get a thumbnail now. There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.